Hi students, welcome to this session. I am Dr. K. Varada Rajkumar, Associate Professor, Department of CSE, AIML, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In our previous class, we learned about introduction to B tree. In this class, we see how to search an element in B tree. So, overview of the presentation. In this presentation, we see steps to search an element in B tree and we discuss search function with one example. Outcome of this lecture, at the end of this lecture you all are understand how to search an element in B tree. Searching in B tree, searching in a B tree is similar to searching in binary search tree but extended to handle nodes with multiple keys. So, what it is? In binary search, the node contains only one value. So, one value, but in B tree, the node contains more than one value. For example, so 50, 100, 200, these values we can store in only one node. Here also same, in binary search tree, to search element 200, we compare 200 with 100. So, now, 200 is greater than 100, so we traverse to right. In B tree, the searching is similar, but here we store multiple keys. So, here if the searching element is 200, then we search with the 200 with 50. So, 200 is greater than 50, so we traverse to here. So, 200 is greater than 100, so we search the next element. 200 equals to 200, so element found. Okay. Start at the root and compare the search key with the keys in the current node to determine the next child node to visit. So, for example, so this is the 150. Now, so this is the 150, 160, let us assume. Now, to search 150, so how, and consider here also 160. In binary search tree, to search 160, how we start? So, 160 is compared with root, 160 is greater than 100, so traverse to right side. So, 160 is less than 200, so traverse to left side. Now 160 is greater than 150, so traverse to right side. Here 160 equals to 160, so element found. Now, here also same, 160 is compared with 50 and it is not matched with 50. Next, compare 150 with 100. Now, 150 is greater than 100, so move to next one. So, 200, 150 is less than 200, so we move to this child. We move to left child of 200. So, here, so 150 equals to 150, element found. So, continue this process until we find the key or reach a leaf node where the key is not found. Sometimes we do not find the, if I give the input as 170, so 170 is not found. Steps to search an element in B tree. The search starts from the root node. Compare the search element K with the root. If root node contain K, search completes. If K less than the first value in the root, we move to the leftmost child and search the child recursively. If the root has two children, then move to the rightmost child and search the child recursively. If the root has more than two keys, then search the rest remaining. If K is not found after traversing the whole tree, then the search element is not present in the B tree. So, let us discuss with one example. So, this is the example. So, here I am taking only one value, so 31. So, for example, this is the key, so 31, second one is empty. Now, 31 less than values we store in the right address. Let us assume this is the address and this is the address of the values greater than 31. So, for example, if I am searching for 32, here the K equals to 32. Now, how we compare? So, 31. So, 32 equals to 31? No, it is true. Now, 32 is less than 31? No. So, 32 is greater than 31. So, we traverse to this node. Now, compare. So, 32 equals to 34? No, Now compare 32 less than 34. Yes. So we move to this node. 32 equals to 32. So element found. Now here we first check the root node and realize that k equals to 32 is not present here. So we move on to the children of the root node. Since it has two children here, we compare between the two keys. Since k less than, so k greater than 31, so go to the right child of the root node, compare k with the values of the node, that is 34 and 45. So k less than 34. So we move to the left child of 34. Since the value in left child of 34 k equals to 32, we can say that the key k is found and search is complete. If I am searching for 48, what happened? So 48 is greater than 31. So move to this node. So 48 is greater than 34. So we move to this node. Now 41, so 48 is not found here. Why we reach leaf node here? So 48 is not found. So I hope you all are understand how to search a particular element in a B tree. So coming to summary of the session, searching in a B tree is similar to searching in binary search tree but extended to handle nodes with multiple keys. Start at the root and compare the search key with the keys in the current node to determine the next child node to visit. So continue this process until we find the key or reach a leaf node where the key is not found. So in next class we will learn about how to insert an element in B tree. Thank you.